At Freedom Foods, we pride ourselves on perfecting every detail, and our attitude to operations at our facilities is no different. I'm Jeremy Panuccio and I'm a project manager here at Freedom Foods. We're always looking to improve our operating processes to make ourselves as efficient as possible and a more sustainable energy solution. It's just one of the ways which we are doing that. We have initiated a sustainability mandate across our business, and right now that includes a big push for solar energy across our largest sites, starting at our Shepparton dairy plant. We needed to achieve three things with our new solar solution at Shepparton. System power quality, as power supply issues are a huge consideration for a facility of this size. A high level of sustainability that helped us deliver against our sustainability mandate, and long-term cost savings.
AWS is an engineering, procurement and construction firm. We traditionally operate in the large-scale solar market, which supports both energy cost reduction and also a roadmap towards sustainability. Due to the size of the facility, and the fact that all availability capacity had been taken up on the electrical master switchboards, we developed a simple solution for Freedom Foods, which required us to offtake the 3.8 megawatts into 3 skids that we developed. This was the first PVS 175 installation in Australia and one of the largest single rooftop installations in Australia. The PVS 175s were a perfect solution, given that they had very powerful output, which provided significant savings on capital expenditure for the client, as well as simplifying the installation itself. Although the PVS 175s were new into the country and a first for us, we were confident in the product as well as in the support that FIMER were able to supply us in relation to the project.
Been very supportive, very responsive throughout. Generally, we've had no problems. It's just been setting them up and away it's gone.
The government wanted to support this critical industry, dairy processing here in Shepparton. It's a large community, one that wants to be supported by a large employer, and Freedom have done just that. So they supported with a $1.6 million grant. Well, working with the district network service provider is always a challenge. Technically, we need to get our answers correct, and FIMER supported us with the PWSE modelling that was a requirement of AEMO and PowerCore. In all, there are 18 PVS 175s that we delivered. They've all been working above expectation since implementation through the 3 skids that were commissioned in February 2020.
My role was support through the end-to-end delivery of the project, from the tendering stage through procurement, installation support and commissioning of the PVS 175 inverters. This is the first time FIMER has worked with AWS Group and Freedom Foods on this scale, and the way that we were able to collaborate so effectively throughout this project ensured we delivered a highly successful installation. The PVS 175 was the perfect solution for this project due to high energy output, suitability to warm conditions here in Australia, and ease of installation compared to other products in the market. The success of this installation has paved the way for several further installations of the PVS 175 in Australia. Now everything is up and running. We're providing ongoing support to the end customer, including product training for the installer and contractors. We're also monitoring the system remotely to ensure it continues to operate smoothly.
The Shepparton site has historically been subjected to fluctuations in power supply. This system has allowed the site to ride through many of these issues, instilling confidence in the operations teams and their ability to meet scheduling and production demands.
The PVS 175 solution selected for this project has saved Freedom Foods significant energy costs and reduced carbon emissions since its launch. Freedom Foods is now in the process of rolling out solar solutions across other sites after the success of this installation. I love being at the forefront of these projects, using cutting-edge technology and also helping Freedom Foods become a more sustainable and eco-friendly company.